Instead of getting flowers, you can get a bouquet of Chinese-style street skewers in South Edmonton. Just take a look at how big the squid skewer is. They serve a variety of tender lamb, shrimp, garlic beef, and seafood. The seafood garlic noodles is something that you have to try. If you are into spicy food, then the northeastern Chinese cuisine is also a really nice touch on the side. With over 40 dishes on the menu, ordering here feels like taking a multiple choice test, except only this time, every answer is delicious. Hidden gems like this place expand Edmonton's food scene and I highly recommend you try. Follow for more.